AWS has worked tirelessly behind the scenes to rebuild our content on Revit for your benefit, maximizing usability, user-friendliness, and performance. There's now just one single 3D Revit family for each series, which can accommodate all standard configurations. Let's take a look at some of the new features. New type catalogs mean you can load a particular configuration into your project quickly. We've made it easier to manually change configurations. Control the position of the window or door in the depth of the wall. Control which panels are operable. Specify whether or not there is a transom. Turn reveals and architraves on and off. Specify single or double glazing and control the glazing thickness. Specify the type of threshold and turn subsills on and off. Specify whether you want left or right side lights, or perhaps a highlight, and control their sizes individually. Specify whether you want a door to swing internally or externally. Specify whether you'd like wide stiles or large jambs. Control the size of mid-rails or remove them altogether. To ensure your documentation will be clear and concise regardless of the scale of view, we've optimized and made consistent coarse, medium, and fine detail level control. We've built in validation to ensure the options you select are compatible with the particular series. If typical series limits are exceeded, you'll be alerted with a built-in warning message. All the materials are render-ready with applied photorealistic appearances for the full AWS powder coat range. Our Revit families comply fully with the Australian and New Zealand Revit standards. This includes correctly applying all the geometry to the appropriate ANZRS subcategories and embedding all applicable shared ANZRS parameters, populating the values where possible, as well as consistently representing the product families in plan and elevation with industry standard symbology. Finally, we understand that sometimes you need to show the actual AWS section profiles, as embedding them would have a negative impact on performance. We've supplied an entire library of parametric 2D details for all sections in the various AWS series. The AWS team are always here to help, so if you need assistance with a project or specification, give us a call.